Are you looking for the most overwhelming hit of nostalgia available for fantasy lovers from all walks of life, but especially millennials? Do you long to poorly hide your silent weeping as you gaze upon inanimate objects from your favorite childhood stories and stand where all your imaginary friends from grade school once stood? Well, you must, because you're researching how to get to Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studio Tour north of London.
But no shame or judgment here, because those are the exact reasons why we went, and it was one of the best days of our lives. In this video, we'll tell you about some of the various things you'll see and experience in this magical place, as well as talk through the logistics of getting to and from the studio from London.
We've also included the exact ticket that we used in the description below, which included transportation to and from London. We've also included some other helpful resources that you may find useful while planning this trip.
The Warner Brothers Studio Tour is a must visit for any Harry Potter fan. It offers a unique opportunity to step into the wizarding world and gain a deeper appreciation for the creativity and craftsmanship that went into bringing this beloved series to life on the big screen. The self-paced tour of the studio is an immersive experience where you get to walk through the actual sets from the movies, such as the Great Hall, Diagon Alley, the Forbidden Forest, and Platform 9 3/4. You'll also see many of the costumes and props from the movies, including the characters' various wands, Hermione's time turner, and the Marauders map. Of course, there are many more sets and props to see, but we don't want to spoil them all for you. They also offer behind-the-scenes looks at the filmmaking process, including demonstrating how the special effects, costumes, makeup, and props all came together to bring this magical world to life. There are numerous different photo opportunities throughout, including a section where you can capture yourself having a go at riding a broomstick. About halfway through the tour, there's an area to buy food and drink, and if you need a pick-me-up, you can always order a butterbeer. The second half of the tour includes seeing some sets outdoors. This was one of our favorite portions of the experience, as we were able to walk through the Dursleys' house on Privet Drive, see the night bus, and pull out a couple of mandrakes in the herbology greenhouse. The tour is as close as you can get to being part of the wizarding world, and it was an overall well thought out and engaging experience. Now for the logistics of getting there.
To get to the studio tour from London, you have a couple of different options. The first is to take a train from the Euston Station in London, arriving at the Watford Junction Station, which is a train that takes about 20 minutes. These trains leave regularly from the Euston Station and are typically leaving within 10 minutes of each other. A one-way journey will cost about £12, whereas if you buy a round-trip ticket, it'll cost about £21 per person. If you're using the Oyster card while getting around within London, you are able to use that for this journey as well. Once at the Watford Junction Station, there are shuttle buses that will take you from there directly to the studio. These run about every 30 minutes, and the bus ride is roughly 15 minutes. These buses are included with your entry ticket to the studio, so be sure to have those studio entry tickets ready before trying to board one of the buses. The other option is to book your studio ticket through a platform like Get Your Guide and select an option that includes round-trip transportation to and from London via shuttle bus. This is what we did, and although it cost a little bit extra, it was extremely nice to have all of the transportation logistics completely taken care of for us. A lot of these buses from London depart from the Victoria coach station, with most of them leaving in the morning hours and a couple of them departing in the early afternoon. These shuttle buses take you directly to Warner Brothers Studios with no transfers and take a little bit over an hour from point to point. Once you arrive, one of the bus staff members will hand you an entry ticket for Warner Brothers Studios as you exit the bus. You'll have roughly 4 to 5 hours to explore the studio at your own pace, after which you'll head back to the bus in the parking lot and begin your journey back to London. We've included the exact ticket package that we purchased through Get Your Guide somewhere up here and in the description below. Additionally, we've added some other highly rated ticket options for these shuttle bus packages in case the one that we took is sold out for the dates in which you will be visiting London. We certainly recommend purchasing these tickets ahead of time so that you not only have a better chance at getting the start time you want, but because these tickets do tend to sell out. And if you can, aim for an early time slot like the 8 8 a.m. or the 9 a.m. This way, if you don't have a lot of time in London, you can still be back by the early evening and have more time to explore all of London's sights. Okay, hopefully this helped you in planning a day trip to the Harry Potter studio tour and convinced you that it is worth visiting if you were on the fence for any reason. Again, we've added ticket links and some helpful resources in the description below that you can use while planning, so be sure to check those out.
Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section. We would love to help you out as you plan your trip. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
There are a couple small, silly little actions, but they do go a long way for us and this channel, and they only cost you 2 quick clicks.
Thank you so much for watching, and safe travels to the wizarding world of Harry Potter.
Should we say the thing?
Ooh, that's really extra.
Should we say the thing?
Mischief managed.